Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to add a link in a Confluence page. Let's face it, if you're regularly using Confluence, you know that adding links efficiently is essential. It not only improves the functionality of your documents, but also makes them more readable and useful. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring you can master this valuable skill with confidence. Imagine you're starting off at your Confluence homepage. This is your command center, where all your projects and documentation are gathered. To begin, you need to navigate to the specific space where the page you want to edit is located. Think of Confluence spaces as categories or folders that organize related pages, making it crucial to select the appropriate one. This way, you're always working within the correct context, whether it's a project or documentation you're dealing with. Once you've found the right space, it's time to focus on the page you wish to modify. After clicking into the page, you should take a moment to review its content. Understand where exactly you want to place your link, as this will help maintain the overall flow and clarity of your document. Now look towards the top of the page for the Edit button. By clicking on it, you'll activate the editing mode, unlocking a suite of tools designed to help you enhance and modify your content. Confluence provides a user-friendly toolbar in this mode, where you'll be performing most of your tasks, to make your document more dynamic and engaging. Pay close attention to the toolbar, and this time, locate the option labeled Insert Elements. By clicking this, you gain access to a range of tools essential for enriching your page. In the drop-down menu or pop-up window, you'll find a handy search bar. Typing in link will narrow down the options for you. Upon seeing Insert a Link, click on it, and a dialog box will emerge, ready for the URL you wish to embed. At this crucial stage, make sure you have the correct URL copied, the one you intend to share with your audience. When you're ready, paste your link into the designated field within the dialog box. After pasting, simply click on the Insert button, and just like that, your link is seamlessly embedded into the page's content. It's always a good idea to double-check the link's placement within the text to ensure it fits naturally and directs users precisely where you want them to go. And there you have it. You've successfully added a link to a Confluence page, a straightforward task that underscores why Confluence is such a powerful tool for collaboration and documentation. With a little practice, you'll be performing this process effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to add a link in a Confluence page, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.